Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Noman and you are watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video, I will teach you how you pay a USD with Payoneer account to other Payoneer user. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to search Payoneer login in your browser, and then you can click on Payoneer login and sign up. When you click on Payoneer login, then you can see the dashboard of Payoneer login and sign up. You need to add email address and add a password of your Payoneer account. Then click on sign in. Now you can see the dashboard of Payoneer. So when you send your Payoneer user, you can just click on pay and you can see pay to recipient Payoneer account. Click on this and here you can see recipient details. Just paste a recipient detail, just click on next, and here you can see payment detail. Click on USD balance and add amount, and then you can add a purpose of the payment. So I just select NA and review. Click on review. Now you can see the payment details, USD balance and amount $97 and fee free, purpose NA, and then I confirm the payment detail above. Just click on it and just click on pay. When you click on pay, you get a code of your Payoneer account number. I just received. Just add a code and click on submit, and you are done. You can see submitted and you paid is $97 with email user and will notify when they receive the fund. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.